All right, guys, 2026 has started strong, and we have the official launch of the Vigilante Scrambler. So as you all know by now, we started our journey by redefining the Grand Wagoneers, the Cherokees, and the J-Trucks. But today, we're coming back to the essence of what the Jeep is all about. The Wagoneers put Vigilante on the map. Today, we're redefining the origins of the civilian Jeeps, also known as the CJs. The most common variants were the CJ5, CJ6, CJ7, and CJ8, also known as the Scrambler. In 2026, recreational vehicles are way bigger than what they used to be, so it was natural to us to start with the Scrambler. This is also our answer to those wanting something topless, bold, and different, but also very similar to the Ford Broncos, the International Scouts, and the Toyota FJs. Getting into the CJ market also allowed us to look back at how we've done things with the Wagoneers, the Cherokees, and the J-Trucks, and redefine another framework for the Scramblers. The bigger Jeeps, being a way more complex vehicle to restore, typically take between 24 and 48 months to restore. With the smaller platform, we are targeting to deliver these vehicles between 6 to 12 months to your door. By redefining the process, we're taking the best of both worlds, allowing you to have your Jeep faster, but also having a much simpler product than the Wagoneers, Cherokees, and the J-Trucks. We are just scaling down the functionality, but also redefining the processes in how we build these vehicles. The start of it all is this chassis, which is built to the same specs as the other Vigilante chassis. Fully boxed, front to back, same drivetrain selection, your 392 485 horsepower under the hood. Automatic transmission comes standard, and an Atlas 2 twin-stick shift-on-the-fly transfer case. In the back, Dana 60, brand new axle. In the front, brand new Dana 44 axle. 4-link suspension all around. 6-piston brakes at each wheel. Wheels are the same selection as you will find on the Cherokees and the J-Trucks. So stay tuned if you want to know more about these Scramblers. We're updating our website as we speak. And also, if you want to be part of the first ones to take commission of these smaller Jeeps, reach out, because we have a handful in production that are not spoken for yet. As always, thanks for your support. We'd love to hear back from you on social media, on YouTube, as we are growing our brand and going through this journey together. Stay tuned.